Assalamualaikum. Welcome to my channel Learn with Aiza. Today we will learn about simple past tense. By the end of the lesson, I assure you that you will be able to talk in simple past tense. You will be able to understand simple past tense and you will be able to make many sentences related to simple past tense. So let's start simple past tense in a very easy way. Let's see what is past. Gone by in time, no longer existing. The time before the moment of speaking or writing, and earlier time. Let's see the example. It is 2:35 approximately. And I left my office at 12:05. It means I am talking about past in second picture on which the time is 12:05 in the clock. Okay, so it is about the past. If I ask you, what is the time right now? So it is 2:35. And when did I leave my office? At 12:05. It means 12:05 is past. Let's see the example in sentences. Ali played cricket. You learned forms of verb in the previous lesson. I hope you remember this as well. Cat drank the milk. These are few examples of past tense. Simple past tense in detail. Making of simple past tense. Subject plus verb plus object. There's no helping verb in it. This is subject plus verb plus object. It is just like simple present tense. Only there is one difference, and the difference is of second form of verb. Which form of verb do we use in simple past tense? Second form of verb. Okay? To learn second form of verbs, you will have to watch my previous two lessons, and after learning forms of verb from those two lessons, you will be able to learn simple past tense quickly. Let's move further. Affirmative sentences. First of all, we will see what is affirmative sentences. Affirmative sentences are positive sentences. Making. Subject plus verb plus object. And which form of verb is there? Second form of verb. That's good. It is quite easy. Just keep it in your mind that simple past tense has only one difference from simple present tense, and that difference is of form of verb. Second form of verb we use in simple past tense, and first form of verb we use in simple present tense. Okay, so let's see the examples. They play cricket. Okay, so we have here play. Play is, I guess, first form of verb. What do you say? Yes, play is first form of verb. So let's change it into second form of verb. They played cricket. Aisha speaks truth. Speak. Okay, I will have to change first form of verb speak to second form of verb, and that is Aisha spoke truth. Spoke is second form of verb of speak. I am repeating it that you will have to learn forms of verb to learn tenses. So must visit my previous lessons to learn forms of verb. I am sharing a link in description as well. Best of luck. It rains. Rain is first form of verb. Second form of verb of rain is it rained. If you find any ambiguity, if you have any confusion, you can ask me in the comment section. Now let's see how to make negative sentence of simple past tense. Negative sentences are the sentences in which there is a negative thought, opinion, or an action. Making. Did not. The most important thing in it, we use did not with form of verb. Okay? So you will have to keep it in your mind that we use did not with form of verb to make it negative of simple past tense. I hope you remember simple present tense in which we add do not and does not. So, do, first form. Second form of do is did. As per rule of simple past tense, we have to use second form of verb of do or does, that is did. That's why we are using here did not in the negative of simple past tense. And with did not we will use first form of verb because did is already a second form of verb of do. So with did we will use first form of verb. Keep it in your mind. Subject plus did not plus verb plus object. With did not, which form of verb you will use? First form of verb. For examples, they played cricket. Played, second form of verb. It means it is simple past tense. We have to change this affirmative sentence of simple past tense into negative sentence. So what we will add here? Did not. And with did not, we always use first form of verb. So they did not play cricket. They did not play cricket. The dog barked. Barked, it means it is second form of verb, it is simple past tense. To make it negative, we will use did not, and with did not, we will use first form of verb because did is already a second form of verb of do. The dog did not bark. Hassan ran fast. Ran, second form. So Hassan did not run fast. I hope it is clear to you. Let's move to interrogative sentences. What are interrogative sentences? In which we ask a question. Sentence which is a question is known as interrogative sentence. Making did plus subject plus verb plus object. With did, which form of verb we use? First form of verb. Because did is already second form of verb of do or does. Okay, now let's move to see the examples. I woke up early. I woke up early. Woke up. It means it is simple past tense. To make it interrogative, I will place did in the beginning of sentence. I wake up early and at the end question mark. Remember, question mark is very necessary after an interrogative sentence. Did I wake up early? I am writing here first form of verb of woke because did is already used here and that is second form of verb of do. They jumped. Jumped is second form of verb. To make it interrogative, I will write here did they jump? At the end question mark or mark of interrogation. Next one is you told a lie. Let's make it interrogative. Did you tell a lie? So that's it for today. Now I am repeating it on fingertips. Okay, so you will have to listen to me carefully. There is making of simple past tense. Second form of verb will be used to make it affirmative. Did not plus first form of verb will be used to make it negative because did is already a second form of verb. Okay, so with did we will use first form of verb. This is a rule actually. And to make it interrogative, we will pick that did from middle of sentence to the beginning of sentence. And at the end, we will put mark of interrogation instead of sign of period. Only three things you will have to learn. I hope it is clear to you. But remember, before learning the tenses, you need to learn forms of verb. So best of luck. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Share it with your friends and family. Allah Hafiz.